Well, it's been some time. Now it's time to put back together the Acura Integra. Got it here in front of me. Just brought it back from the paint shop yesterday. It's all looking good. And here it is. Not too much different, but since it only needed a new fender and everything else was, and the bumpers, and everything was touched up, and the framework. The frame was a bit twisted up, so look at it, it's all pulled out, nice and straight. Color is amazing. The rear has been pulled out as well, all fixed up. Everything's going on, or everything's looking straight. So I'm gonna start reassembling it, finish up the rear end since it's just a small portion of it. They're gonna reassemble it, put it together, make it look good, and then do the rest. Got here the old bumper that I need to take the lower valence off, or the diffuser, and all the other little pieces here. And I think I'm gonna be missing a few pieces that I didn't notice that were broken. But for now, let's take off this and all the extra little things. And I got these clips here, push pins. I'm gonna spray with some WD-40, kind of lubricate them a little bit so it'll be easier for them to come out. Since a lot of them just break. Let's get the bumper on. Gotta be careful not to scratch up corners. Well, good morning. This is the next day here, and back on trying to assemble the Integra, but it's beginning to rain. Well, it's already drizzling a little bit, and it's supposed to start a little heavier in a bit. So only could do so much today. We'll do as much as I can before the rain comes in fully. So right now I'm gonna reinstall the side skirts and try to reassemble a few things on the bumper. Got the side skirt all ready and prepped right here. Got all the pins, or not the pins, the clips in. So all I gotta do is That one is installed. All I have to do is just screw in the few little screws in there. Same thing on this side. All ready to go. That's good. And then let's start kind of swapping a few things from where did you go? Right there. Swap out a few things from here to the new bumper. And I got one of these things, but I left the box at home, so can't really do anything. It seems like there's two pieces, so I need two pieces of those. I think I ordered only one. So driver side fog light mount and the little air vent pieces installed. Fog light, I took it off. I need to find a plug for it because whenever the car was moved around in the shop, body work or paint, I don't know, someplace, ripped off the wire with the plug, so I gotta find a good one. And this side, I don't have all those pieces with me, so that has to wait. But I do have the grill. Let's try to put the grill back in. And I got one extra one from someplace. Yeah, it's already getting a little too wet here, so gotta pack up and go. Oh, it's been a few days. Did a little bit of assembly inside. Got the headliner back in. Still missing a little bolt from there. Gotta find it. Then got all the front end assembled. Got the pillars assembled. Dash assembled. That side is all good to go. Gonna put the airbag, this airbag right now. Let's put this out of here. Gotta do the finish assembling the bumper grill, putting the headlight. Yeah, so the back is assembled already. Yes, I still got this thing right here. Then put the seat back in once I'm done, and the inside will be complete. Then I gotta do the cowl, just a little bit up here. Turn out that somewhere along the line ran over the plug and I ripped the wire, so ordered a new plug of or connector of Amazon, but it's gonna be here like in a week, over a week. So I'm gonna assemble it and then come back and fix it up later. And then to install the headliner, I had to remove the glass, and it gave a little crack right there. So windshield's getting replaced. It sucks, but as soon as he started removing it, it cracked for some reason. Either it was I don't know why, but so getting a new windshield, and yeah, so I got that. Oh yeah, I got the pulley replaced, and there the AC compressor pulley, the clutch replaced, and I got the idler pulley replaced, water pump replaced. Yeah, all that's replaced. I'm not sure if it's gonna go on the same video or different video, but yeah. And then I got a few things to reassemble here up front. Make sure everything's up nice and tight, and yeah. So let's get back to work. Honestly, can't really tell the headlights if they're perfect or not because of that strip on top. Yeah, so I took it to a frame to this other guy that hasn't done any cars for me yet, and this was still on. He took it off, but he put on like different bolts instead of whatever was on here. He just threw on some random stuff. Now I gotta find which bolts exactly go on here, so to have everything matching instead of some random stuff. That's what I hate about some guys. They just put some random bolts, whatever fits, fits. Doesn't care if they're the same, different. Yeah. See, all the same size, good. Just go in and one after the other, makes it easy. But some of the bolts, like for the headlights and and around, they're similar bolts, but the length is different. And then you're like, does it go here? Does it go there? Where does it go? Now it's time to get the bumper on. Once I got the bumper on, now you could see that the right headlight is sitting too far out. Time to take it all apart and readjust everything and see how it fits after. So you got a little issue here. First, this thing right here in the back broke off. I don't know, this is just a horrible design. It's held by a hairline and it's supposed to slide in from the top into there. And where I'm at right now, the gap right there is too big. As if this whole support is supposed to be pushed back. Which, to do that, I gotta take off the whole bumper again. I guess it is what it is.